CODA file system. Myself Sunil Kumar Khichi, Assistant Professor Indian College. Today I teach CODA file systems. What is CODA? CODA is a file system for a large-scale distributed computing environment composed of Unix workstations. It provides a resiliency to server and network failure through the use of two distinct but complementary mechanisms. One mechanism, server replication, storage copies of file at multiple servers as multiple servers. The other mechanism, disconnected operation, is a mode of execution in which a caching site temporarily assumes the role of replication sites. Disconnected operation particularly useful for supporting portable workstations. The design of CODA optimizing for availability and performance, and strives to provide the highest degree of consistency attainable in the light of these objectives. Some CODA file systems are sometimes Andrew availability, caching, disconnected operations, distributed file system, performance, portable computers, scalability, server replication. A location transparent distributed file system based on the Unix file system model is a valuable mechanism for collaboration between physically dispersed users. This is particularly true in a distributed workstation environment where the primary activities are education, research, and software development. The Andrew file system is a highly successful realization of such as a mechanism for campus-sized user community. Positive experience with AFS has motivated the recent work on extending in nationwide. The importance of shared Unix file system for a distributed workstation environment is further confirmed by many other efforts in industry and academics. Design rationale. The fundamental factors influence design of CODA. These are our desire to produce a highly scalable systems, the range of failure we wish to address, the need to emulate Unix file semantics. In the course of our design, discovered the constraints imposed. These factors often correlated with each other. The client dynamically map files to server and cache this information. It use token-based authentication and end-to-end encryption integrated with its communication mechanisms. Thanks. This is a CODA file systems. CODA फाइल एंड्रू फाइल सिस्टम्स होता है, नेटवर्क फाइल सिस्टम्स होता है, सन फाइल सिस्टम्स होता है. These are the file systems. Thanks.